Hey guys, how to go back to previous screen on your iPhone. It's very easy. For example, we are in Wikipedia and we can surf the SpaceX company. Then we can learn about launcher and how to return to a previous page. Of course, in Wikipedia website we have bottom bar with previous and forward screen. But if you haven't this bottom menu on your site or on your application, you can make it even more simple. For this, we need to swipe our page from left to right, drag it and drop, and we are in previous page. And the same for the forward page. Swipe it from right to left, drag it near right part of page and drop it. We are in the forward page. It's very simple, it's very useful. Thanks for the watching. Subscribe to the channel. Good luck and all the best.